In this video, I'm going to show you how to screenshot on Windows operating system, both on Windows 11 or Windows 10. I'm going to provide you with 3 different methods. The first one is pretty classic. On your keyboard, just tap on the print screen, then proceed on the search on the taskbar, then type paint and proceed to pick the one with this best match. Then you can proceed to press this shortcut Ctrl V. This will paint the entire screen that you just screenshot. After that, you can proceed to do any edit that you want. In my case, I want to select the pencil, then hit on the image and draw anything that you want. Then if you want to save, you can proceed to the file and you can proceed to save your file to your desired location. With the second method, in case you want to save directly to your files, you have to locate your Windows key on your keyboard, then tap on it and then proceed to click on print screen. So this will automatically screenshot the image that you have on your desktop. After that, to locate your image, you can just proceed to your file explorer, then pick the one with this best match. Then you can locate your pictures, then proceed to select screenshots and proceed to open this file. So this is the captured image that I'm interested in and it has already been saved directly to my files. With the final method, in case you want to capture part of the screen or you want to have a snippet of a particular part of your screen, on your keyboard you have to proceed to press on the Shift plus Windows key, then S. You'll have a bunch of menus on the top here, so you can proceed to snip set the area that you want to crop on your screen. So in my case, I want to crop only this on the screen, then I can proceed to leave. So this will crop the only specific portion that I select on the screen, which is here. So these are the 3 methods used to screenshot on your Windows operating system, both on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you enjoyed this content, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.